si Mister. Nagluto siya ng, ano ba yun? Lechon. Ay, what is that again? Lechon kawali. Kasi yun, nabili namin yun sa Old Navy. Tapos ito, long sleeves. Nung sinuot niya nga yung pants, parang medyo maliit na agad. So, ilang buwan lang niya masusuot. Good morning, everyone! Happy Monday! So, meron kaming importanteng lakad ngayon. Next time, malalaman nyo kung para saan ba yun. Ito ang aming outfit for today ni Baby Zayda. Naka-red kami parehas. Iyan yung kinuha ko sa Shein. Si Mister, sabi ko, mag-red din siya, pero KJ siya. Ayaw niya mag-red. Love you so, KJ. Ayan. Hello! Tapos ngayon na magluluto si Mister ng, what is it?
What?
Lechon kawali. Yan. So, samahan nyo kami today. Punta kami ngayon ng Big Y. May i-check lang kami dito. Kukuha kami ng snacks. And what are we gonna get? Garbage can at garbage bag. Meron sila mga binibek ng decorations. Andito na kami sa bahay. Pinalitan namin yung damit ni Zayda kasi nabasa siya. Buti na lang, nakapag-shopping kami ng mga damit para sa kanya. So, andito na nga kami sa bahay. Yan. Tsaka na siya nag-red. Love. Why are you wearing red? When I was asking you to wear red, you're not listening to me. So, nabasa itong kaninang damit ni Zayda kasi noong inom siya ng tubig. Ayun, natapon. Buti na lang, nakapamili na nga kami ng ilang mga damit niya. Nagpunta kami sa Old Navy. So, yung suot niya kanila yung pink at saka yung pants. Yun, nabili namin din sa Old Navy. Tapos ito, long sleeves. Nung sinuot niya nga yung pants, parang medyo maliit na agad. So, ilang buwan lang niya masusuot yun for sure. Kasi pag tinitingnan mo, parang malaki siya. Pero nung sinuot na ni Zayda, ang liit.
Where's the tongs?
Maybe it's there.
They're not.
I don't know. Tapos ito, 3T, yung size. And then mga leggings. Ito 2A, for sure maliit to. Baby, why are you crying?
Because she's neglected of YouTube.
And then ito ay 3T. Ayan si Mister. Nagluto siya ng, ano ba yun? Lechon. Ay, what is that again? Lechon kawali. Kasi hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Ayan na siya. Luto na. Love, you tell them what you did to your lechon kawali. Napaso. Napaso siya. Hoy, love. How did you cook your lechon kawali?
Well, I soak it in salt water vinegar for 4 hours to marinate it or brine it, whatever. And then I took it out, I let it dry for a little while. And it was supposed to take 50 minutes, it only took 27 because in the video I watched they used a big slab. And the big slab took 50 minutes, I guess. But these are done. So if I cook them anymore, they're just gonna burn more. They're already burned. So they would just burn more if I keep cooking them. So I stopped cooking them. I don't know what temperature the oil was. It never got all the way to its full temperature. It was maybe around 300 degrees, the oil. 350. It was hot enough to burn it. But I think it'll be alright.
Is it crispy?
Yeah. It's very crispy. Don't you want to hear? This is the thing everybody does. Wait.
What? Is that how you measure the crispiness?
Yeah, how you measure crispiness. It does that. It's crispy.
How about the sauce?
I forgot.
How about this? What are you gonna do with this?
It's just vegetables.
And actually gonna make yakisoba again.
No, because it's frozen.
Yung oil andyan, talsik-talsik siya dito sa aming floor. Hirap linisin. So, gumagawa sa ni Mister ngayon ng sauce. Love, what's the ingredient of the sauce of our lechon kawali?
I can't remember. You said chopped onions, pepper, vinegar?
No.
Chopped onions, pepper, soy sauce, lemon.
Yeah. Actually, you can use vinegar too instead of lemon. What do you prefer?
Are you asking if I prefer lemon or vinegar?
Yeah, I think vinegar is better. Yeah, just use vinegar instead of lemon.
Use too much.
You put pepper.
Yeah. It's not good. In the fridge.
But you don't need to put it in the fridge.
Well, then put it on the table.
There. Put it beside the ano. This is our sausawan. Love, it doesn't look appetizing.
What's it supposed to look like?
It should have peppers too. Right, peppers. That pepper.
This one?
Yeah.
This doesn't even do anything.
Should be spicy, the spicy
This
one.
is not spicy.
Tatry ko. Sarap. Kain tayo, ah. Sarap. Sarap yung sausawan. Perfect. Yan si Zeta. Nood na naman kay Miss Rachel. Ito na pala yung ating Christmas tree. Pero kulang pa rin yan ng mga decorations. Dadagdagan ko pa siya. Hinihintay ko lang yung aking order siya sa Shein. So si Mr. ay, ito na. Ang ating, ano ba to? Late lunch. Vegetable, lechon kawali, and rice. Yan, excited na akong kumain. Mas masarap sana kung may yakisoba, kaya lang frozen daw. Eh, ayaw nang lutuin ni Mister. You go backwards. Is this our dinner? Isn't it too early for dinner?
Not for me. I woke up at like 4 in the morning.
Me too.
Well, there you go.
Gulo ng aming kitchen. Ganyan talaga lagi yan pagka nagluluto si Mister. Pero okay lang, syempre kung nagluto ako ang maglilinis yan. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta yung aking biyanan na babae dito. Pupunta daw pero hindi pa sure. Hindi pa namin alam kung anong oras. So titira na lang namin siya ng pagkain. If ever, kasi gutom na kami. Konti lang yung kinain namin kanina. Nag-breakfast kami, kaso pumunta nga kami doon sa aming pinuntahan kanina na malalaman nyo kung saan sa mga susunod na mga vlogs. Very important na yun agenda namin. Tapos bumili kami ng mga damit ni Zaira doon nga sa tawag dito Old Navy. And then before pala nun, pumunta kami doon sa parang ano bang shop yun? Basta nagbebenta sila ng mga shake. Sarap naman. Now, what's the name of that that juice shop?
The monkey shop?
Monkey shop. Monkey. Basta may,
Monkey juice shop?
I don't know. Yeah. Basta may monkey. Masarap naman siya. Pero medyo mahal kaunti. Ang in-order ko is strawberry. Kalimutan ko na. Di kasi ako nakapag-video doon dahil nga may music. So, kakain na kami ng lunch/dinner. Yan si baby, oh. Mahilig siya dyan buklat-buklat ng mga books. Mahilig siya sa mga libro. Hindi pa to nagtitake ng nap. So, for sure, maaga tong matutulog ngayong gabi, which is okay. Para makatulog din kami ng maaga.